Printing steaks with a 3D printer? Yes, you heard that right. Redefine Meat is ready to change the world, and it needed a visual platform to let everyone know. Redefine Meat hired Moburst to build a cutting-edge website, designing a new brand language, showcasing their product in a cutting-edge and creative way. Redefine Meat was so blown away by Moburst's design that they entrusted Moburst for the next step, to promote the brand to the world and become a category leader in their industry in 4 markets. To accomplish this, Redefine Meat needed to generate brand awareness and a customer base in each country, even while their products were not yet commercially available. The goal of this campaign was to target restaurant owners, future investors, and their potential customers. Tactically, Moburst implemented an immediate action plan to achieve these objectives. First was a hyper-targeted lead generation campaign targeting restaurant owners who would benefit from serving Redefine Meat's products in their restaurants. Second, we launched a large-scale awareness campaign featuring a dazzling, eye-popping array of visual assets to blow consumers away and generate awareness for Redefine Meat's game-changing products. The results of this campaign were amazingly successful. We launched a TikTok channel, and in just 60 days, we achieved almost 16 million video views and 38,000 followers. On Facebook, we received 82.5 million impressions and 1.5 million engagements, both an increase of over 15,000%. Our videos for Redefine Meat had 8.6 million views over this period as well. Our Instagram received 38 million impressions, with average daily impressions of 160K, both 54,000% increases. On LinkedIn, we were able to achieve 275% growth in followers and over 500% growth in engagements and impressions. During this campaign, we've built a waiting list of 34,000 customers who want to taste the product. Redefine Meat was able to see a super successful launch of their products as a result of the buzz and local waiting lists, leading to them entering over 150 restaurants in their first quarter in all 4 markets. The campaigns had additional long-term positive implications for Redefine Meat, as they were able to turn the growth from this campaign into a $135 million round A of financing. Redefine Meat and Moburst proved that even in uncertain times, with a unique strategy, cutting-edge creative, outstanding media performance, and great execution, creating category leaders with new products is possible.